going to be installing valve covers out here. I just set this in place to see how she fits and looks. She looks and fits great. Now I gotta make sure we're good. All my bolts are in alignment right there with my Velcro valve cover gasket right there. I don't know if you can see it on there, but we'll make sure you can. Pick this up. There's my valve cover gasket. It's on here, right here. As you see, Velcro. They're all lined up, so I'm gonna set this up. Recorder on. 20. Number 8s. I'll set these up. 3/4 by 20 by quarter. And that is